Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Hey guys, 60BaeGrey, real drip, no cap, man. 60BaeGrey, real drip, no cap. Okay. Hey, look. Hey, back here with another video. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hanging out with you guys today, and something came up that I didn't even think that I would make a video on. But hey, here we go. 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Hey, look, we're going in. We're going for 10,000 subscribers. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. No cap. Hey, if your post notifications white, that ain't right. Post notifications black, supposed to be like that. No cap. Okay. So you press the little notification bell. All right. Once you press it, it will turn a dark gray or black. Okay. All right. And then you'll get all the post notifications when I upload. No cap. All right. So, you know, hey, I got my drip on, you know, Adidas drip, you know, you feel me? I got that little drip on. Hey, I got my bead drip, I got my watch drip. Hey, you feel me? Hey, look, listen, we've been traveling, having a little bit of fun, and yeah, you know, we've been out vibing, and came back home. I actually had the opportunity to go to Africa, had the opportunity to go to Dubai. I've had some content while I filmed some things for you guys, so I'm gonna bring that to you shortly. But you know, coming back home, you know, back to life, back to reality. No cap. Hey, I came back to, this is just a little bit of mail that my wife and I received while we were gone. Excuse me. So, while I was going through the mail, I was thumbing through the mail and I found this right here. Okay, what is that? All right, this is a Criswell Chevrolet. Actually, you're looking at it inverted, or well, whatever. Important notice about your vehicle tags. All right, your new tags have arrived at Criswell. Please stop by the dealership to pick them up, or have them installed on your vehicle. Tags are available at the reception area located in the main Chevrolet showroom, and then they give me the hours of time to come see this. So, what we're gonna do, fam, is we're gonna go pick up the tags. We're gonna do an install on the tags, because here in the state I live in, you gotta put them on the front and you gotta put them on the back. But we ain't putting it on the front. That's just crazy. All right, that's crazy. You feel me? We're not doing that. So, but yeah, so like I said, we had some. We went to Tanzania, Africa, with some friends, and then we had the opportunity to lay over in Dubai for a few days, and we did some fun things, and definitely wanted to share that with you. But man, the tags came in. So while we were gone, the tags came in, and I really wanted to get the vanity tags. So, you know, on the tag you can only get seven characters, all right, whether it be numbers or alphabetical, or not alphabetical, some other lettering, all right. You're gonna have 7, all right. So my name, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, that's 9. So I've been trying to come up with a vanity tag, if you will. I mean, I don't want to do air quotes, so I'm not hung up on vanity tag. That's the reason why I'm doing vanity. You know, I can't stand vanity, but they call it vanity tags. It's personalized tags. Okay, how about that? So some personalized tags. So, hey guys, help me figure out what I should put down for my tags. SVG 60BaeGrey, or could I put 60BaeGr or GY? I don't know. One person told me the drip, DADRIP, the drip, no cap, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Okay, yeah, so that's what we're actually contemplating also too. There's some other things that I'm going to do as well. I'll come back and probably tomorrow give y'all an inside look about what I'm going to do. Just a sneak peek. We're going to do a vehicle modification. You feel me? So you got to tune in. So we're going to do this little mod by putting on the tags, right? We had the paper tags. Now we got to go to the hard plate tags. But, the personalized tags, they are not that expensive. So we're going to look into it and see what we can do. So, hey, this is 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Hey, we're going to come back right at you in like a YouTube minute. So when you see me back, I'm going to be outside with the car, with the tag. I'm going to have the drip on. I'm going to be looking fresh. I'm going to be looking fly. 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Hey, 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. Peace. Okay, guys, this is 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Hey, look, we just pulling back up to the crib. Oh, and we just got finished picking up the tags, and I didn't want to put the dealers on blast because they busy. It's a Saturday, but hey, it's 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Last time you saw me, I was in the house. I was going through my mail, and I had the tags, okay? Or I had the little postcard saying to come pick up your tags. So I got the postcards before I left. I got the postcard, went down to the dealer, got the tags. Before I left the house, I set up the, anyway, I set everything up, all right? So we're going to go ahead. We're going to put these tags on, and then we're going to close it out. 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Should I? I'm just go ahead and stop it right here. And then next time you see me, I'll be out the car, and then we'll be, vibing out and taking care of the real drip. You feel me? So, all right. So 60BaeGrey, I'll be back in the YouTube second. Boop. Yep, that was a YouTube second, guys. All right, guys. So what we're going to do is, I got to go get the drill. Like I said, I had put the drill on. Let me see if it's going to give me the power. The power that I need. All right. Yeah, because it was dead when I checked it earlier. So let's check and see if we're going to get what we need. I think the reason I'm coughing is this post-nasal drip. So take the power pack out. Put it in here. All right, got a little bit of power. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and set the camera up. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and put the tags on. We're gonna let y'all see. We're not gonna put any tags on the front. It's gonna be a quick install. I already put the stickers on it. So let's sit that right here so you can see 60. All right. Let me just move this over here a little bit. Okay. Let's sit that down. Oh, right. I know. It's all right. You still love me? Y'all still love me? I know. I'm learning. Y'all teaching me. Okay. 60BaeGrey, the real drip. All right. So, hey, I got my little prop. All right. So, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna get the tags. Can y'all see me okay? Yeah, y'all can see me. It's all right. All right, let me go get the tags. We're gonna bring it in a minute. Tags right here. Yep. I got the car running because we got the real jet. Let me get the screws. This is what they gave me to put on the front of the car.
What?
But we're not doing that. You know, we're not doing that. So, get out of here. All right. Just in case you can't hear me, I'm going to turn the car on. It should be real easy, real quick. Actually, I should have a chair over here because I got a bad back. Let me grab Alright, I ain't go far. I grabbed a screwdriver too. Always gotta keep the real drip with me. The little bag. Alright. This right here is like a little filler. They gave me the tag, then they gave me this plate. You know I'm not gonna keep this, but just for right now, we're gonna put that on there. I'm gonna get a little personalized one that says 60BaeGrey. So we're gonna put it on here. See, I got the stickers on. I already put them on here, okay? The stickers are on here. So let's go ahead and put it on and line it up. Let's see what we're with. We'll probably fast forward through all this. Started a little bit. Same thing here. Voila! Just that simple. Told y'all it was gonna be a quick fix. So let me sit this right here. Let me grab the drip.
Yeah, boy.
Grab this front plate. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this front plate. We're gonna go back inside the car right quick. I'm gonna holler at y'all right quick. I'm not holler at you. You know, holler at your boy. I'm gonna holler at y'all and let y'all know what time it is. All right. Oh, what happened there? Nothing. It's all good. All right. All right. I don't know what happened. All right, guys. Let's get some air in here. Oh, yeah. Woo! So, yeah, we hear the chimes. Man, that took the way I'm huffing and puffing, you would think that I'm like 900 pounds and all this way. It's hot out here today. I'm sweating. I don't know if you can see the bead sweat coming off my head. But we got that little light modification done because, you know, it had to be a mod, right? Because the temporary tags will get you locked up, no cap. They'll tow this Billy away because it's an unlicensed vehicle that's on the road. So we need to be able to get the real drip on the car, you know, get the tags. And we'll end up getting the personalized tag soon, shortly. So anyway, like I said earlier, the next video you're going to see, all right, there's a couple of them. A couple of them is I'm at 450 miles on my vehicle, all right? And on the 450 miles, so at 500 or like 501, the governor gets released or gets relaxed or it gets removed. Right now, it's at 4.5. And I'm not gonna drill down on it on this video, but that's one of the next videos you're gonna see. And we got ready to do some tint, we got ready to do some tint. The light was changed, not the one where you get your cool over. We ain't trying to get cool over. No cap, I ain't trying to have dark. Next thing you know, they thinking I'm out here pushing. All right. The only thing that I'm pushing is 60BaeGrey, no cap. So then we looking at some PPF. Okay. You gotta stay tuned to the next video to find out what PPF is. And we get ready to do a little CC thing going on too. Hey, we got a little CC mod coming. So you gotta tune in to find out what all that means. But anyway, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Don't forget to comment, down in the section below, what would be a good personalized tag for 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Come on now. Come on, man. Listen, man, it has its benefits by, helping me. Help me. All right, so 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Next time you see me, who knows what I'm going to be talking about, but you got to do it. So, there's a lot of good videos I got coming up for you. How much did I pay for the car? What type of insurance? The cost of insurance on the vehicle, the PPF and the CC, and the tint, the 500 miles. What's going to happen? That means, what does it mean when the governor comes off? That means I can go faster. Whoa. 60BaeGrey, the real deal. No cap, man. 60BaeGrey, right here, got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. 60BaeGrey got that real drip, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. All you guys, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60. 60BaeGrey, right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. 60BaeGrey, right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip in the sexy lane. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. 60BaeGrey, right here, got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. 60BaeGrey, right here, got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz.